My name is Greg Chiarello. I'm a civil rights and employment attorney at Outten Golden. I co-chair the firm's sexual harassment practice group, and I also co-chair its disability and family responsibilities practice group. Very often I'm contacted by an employee who's sick, has been in an accident, has a medical condition that he or she is dealing with, and the question I get a lot is, what are my rights with respect to taking time off? Can I take time off? If I take time off, will I still have a job? Will I get paid? These are fundamental questions that I think every employee in New York has. The New York sick leave law provides 40 hours, basically 5 days of paid sick leave in a company with more than 4 employees. If your company has fewer than 4 employees, the law still applies to you, but it's not paid leave. Under no circumstances can your employer punish you or retaliate against you for taking any time off under the sick leave law. Another law, a great law that was just passed in New York, is the New York Family Leave Act. This law provides for partial paid leave for up to 12 weeks for an employee to take care of a family member who is ill, for maternity or paternity leave, or to help out with the family when a loved one gets called to military action. It's a great law that will provide, starting in 2018, 50% of your salary for up to 8 weeks, and by 2021 it will be 2/3 of your salary for up to 12 weeks. Another law or another area where you can find leave rights in New York is under disability laws, anti-discrimination laws pertaining to persons with disabilities. That's the American with Disabilities Act and the New York State and New York City human rights laws. Those laws protect against an employee who needs a reasonable accommodation that would allow them to continue to perform their job. And often a short leave of absence is considered a reasonable accommodation, particularly in New York City. Employees seeking to take a leave should also consult with their employer and their employer's policies. Often employers have their own policies with respect to paid time off, with respect to leave, and I encourage employees to consult with their employer to see what is available. Often good employers have policies that go beyond what the law requires, and it's worth investigating whether your employer might pay for some portion of leave that otherwise might not be paid, or provide more extensive benefits than are required by law. Speak with a lawyer, speak with counsel who can discuss your options. What is the best option for you to approach this problem, to solve the problem and meet your goals? No one size fits all. There are different approaches depending on different circumstances that reach different outcomes.